you go.
What am I doing? What am I? Am I videotaping you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
No, she doesn't have swag. Mom. She puts it on YouTube.
I do. I put it on YouTube so I can show them my embarrassing life.
Your embarrassing life? Yep. Just taking you out for half an hour is embarrassing.
But it's fun.
You shove that up your bum.
No.
No, it's in your ear. Never mind.
Camera. Should I post? Should I get the shot of it so they know what you were talking about?
Go ahead.
That's what she was talking about. We should just go around with a basket and get things like Dylan. And just leave the basket there. Haha, I got her face on film. You're on film right now. No, look up.
No. I know that's there.
I just got that on camera.
That's security, dude. That's right.
Ew, Justin Bieber. Ugh.
Oh, you guys love him and you know it.
I like Hello Kitty, which is there. Huh, kidding. Just kidding.
Oh, look. Love is in the air.
My birthday's also in the air, too.
Hey, Valentine's Day sucks.
Austin.
Monkey.
Austin.
I like Austin.
Valentine's Day is filled with love. There you go. Ma, I want to dye my hair brown.
No.
For the whole
Yeah.
back.
Really for that. That's all.
And?
Wait, get me.